Good morning, it is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some trades live as they unfold. Market opens up here in about 3 minutes. Watching KORS right now. You can see pre-market is getting quite a bit of action right now. Pre-market being seen over here. That's a terrible looking arrow, but you get the point. So like I said, market opens up here pretty soon, so I'll keep you updated. All right, have an order in the short at 47.35, and then I'll have a stop at 47.67. Okay, so I am short there. Have a stop in up there, so I'm risking about 20-some cents. So I'm going to move my stop up now. Now the worst I can do is actually make money on it. So that's always a good feeling to have. But if it wants to keep rolling over, then my gains will just continue to grow. But we'll have to just see what happens with it. So let's see if it wants to play ball here a little bit. Showing some strength here though. Okay, I'm going to move it down to 21. So again, the worst I can do here is actually make money. But if it wants to keep going in my direction, it's really just a question of how much money am I going to make. If it can break through 47, I'll move my stop loss down. Again, I don't want to get too tight on it. And all out for $70. So like I said, I was risking 20-some cents on the front side, and I made $70 on it, which isn't huge, but the whole point being, you know, if the price would have kept on falling, then my gains could have gotten who knows how big. So limited risk for very good upside, and now you can see it was good that I just got stopped out there as it's moving, so might actually look to try to hop back in. Let's see what happens. Real quick, what I want to talk about, because I know I'm going to get questions, because I do every time. How did I find this setup that I put together this risk versus reward trade? So what I've done is I've put together a guide here that goes over the tools that I'm using to locate these stocks and setups. So if that's something that you think might add some value to you as a trader, then you can just go ahead and click right there. And the email, sorry about that, my daughter ran in, but I will email you the guide, and it's just instant access. All you got to do is submit your email. And like I said, good risk for reward for you. I mean, it's no cost, just a little bit of time. The guide is short, sweet, right to the point, and it's like I said, if it helps you out, awesome. If not, well, it's not like you spent a bunch of money on it or anything like that. So if you're curious, how am I finding the stock? How did I find the setup here on I don't even remember what ticker was that I traded. Here we go. I had to go look. KORS. So if you're curious, how did I find KORS? See, the guide's no promises that it's going to actually help you remember what tickers you're trading, but in terms of finding them, like KORS, then like I said, go ahead and you can submit that right there. I think I'm just going to leave it at the video, just one trade, and it's a pretty powerful trade when you stop and think about it. Like I said, it's only $70, but the whole setup, it could have, if it would have dropped, then it would have been a lot more when I had limited risk up front. So new thing I've done is in the description down below, I do have a warning video for these live trades. So please watch the warning video, and just realize what the video is talking about. So I'll leave it at that for right now. But I see comments in the comment sections, and I get emails, and I'm just like, oh, people are taking these videos how they're not intended to be. So please, if you haven't watched that warning video, do so, just so you can understand actually the whole point of all this. So thank you for watching. Again, I know it's a short video, but I have a whole playlist of other ones that are some that are over 10, 12, 13 minutes. So want to try a short one here. So thanks for watching. As always, please click that like button if you found this helpful, if you want me to keep making them, if you enjoy them, if you find them entertaining, all that stuff. Click that like button. A little click like that really does go a long way. Subscribe to the channel, and those sorts of things tell me that people are interested, and as long as people are interested, then I'll keep doing this. So thanks for watching. Get out there and trade without emotion.